What's up, team? Good morning. Welcome to episode 1 of Day in the Life. So by now you already saw I walked into a Power Wagon. So today what we're doing is I have Jesse's Power Wagon, his AEV Prospector. So what we're gonna do is I'm taking it over to Wagon and Superwinch, and we're gonna get rid of his worn winch and replace it with the Superwinch. That's has a higher capacity. It's wireless. It's a huge upgrade for his truck. His worn winch has been messed up for a couple of months now, and the solenoids are bad, so we're gonna go ahead and exchange it. So on these particular episodes where it's a day in the life, I'm just gonna bring you along to like whatever I do, anything channel related, whether I go pick up t-shirts, go check out the process, those kind of things. Let me know if you guys enjoy this kind of stuff. I used to do it back then and people enjoyed it and had a good time with it. So yeah, here we are with the Prospector. Yeah, these Dodge Rams are beautiful. And obviously Jesse's is all hooked up, got the KC lighting, got the little AEV badge there. Sounds nasty. But yeah, so we're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna head into, I think it's West Covina, where Weston is. From there, we're gonna start tearing it apart, put the Super Winch on it. We'll show you what that looks like. So stay tuned. We're gonna sit in traffic probably for a little bit, and then alrighty. So we just pulled up at Weston. You guys, ooh, race car. Damn, Jesse's Power Wagon looks nasty when it's clean. There's the Weston truck. Woo. And then there's Dave's old runner, thick girl. Yeah, we're just waiting for them to open the door. Once they open the door, say what's up to the guys, and then we'll get in. Let's go check it out. You guys saw the Power Wagon walk into the Weston setup here. It's getting lifted. Let's go say what's up to Dave. Damn, Dave with the setup. Dave, good morning. Good morning, Dave. Good morning. Good morning. So he's got the Yoko hat on. We're lifting Jesse's truck up. Look at this Super Winch banner though. Shoo. We're gonna check this out. I'll show you guys shortly what it looks like. All right, team. So the man of the hour just showed up. Cam's gonna be here. So what we're gonna do is we just popped the hood. We're gonna take the power off that winch, disconnect it up top, and then what we're gonna do is we'll have him break down what we're removing and what we're putting on. So stick around. We're gonna take this battery, remove all the power, and then get going. All right, Cam, let's get it. What are we removing?
So we are taking out this worn winch from this bumper. It's either gonna be a 12,000 or a 15,000. We're not really sure until we get it out. And we're gonna be replacing it with this 17.5 Tiger Shark. Nice. So this is one of our big boy winches, and we've also upgraded it with our wireless remote. It's gonna give him easy access from inside the cab and all that good stuff.
Right on. So this will actually give him way more power. It's also steel cable, so it's similar to what he has now. It's gonna be bigger. It should be faster too. The Tiger Sharks are known for their speed. So we're gonna get going. The first thing we have to do is remove these right here. It's a couple C-clips up top. I don't know, whoever has a Power Wagon Prospector is pretty rare, but yeah, you remove the rollers and then the winch comes out. We'll show you what it looks like shortly.
Cool. So to get the bolts off, to remove the old worn winch, there are these C-clips on the roller fair leads here. So we took the ones off on the bottom so we can pop this pin out. Then you can take these out, and then I'll give you access to the bolts here. Oh.
Yeah, go ahead, Grant. So the reason we took the rollers off is because there's 2 bolts here, 2 on each side. This one is easy access, but you have to get the roller off to get to this one. You can see it right there. So we're gonna do the same thing to this. We already removed the C-clip. You just pull this out, and the whole thing comes off. 2 bolts on that side. So we're gonna take those off. Theoretically, this should all just pull back and everything comes all out in one piece. There is a little bracket on the backside that we'll show you once we lift the truck. But other than that, if you have a Prospector, that's how easy it is to take them off. Huge upgrade. We'll show you as we go. All right, so here we go. As we go in here and we're tearing stuff apart, there is a bracket that goes from here all the way across. So we're gonna take that off. Other than that, everything seems to come out. This is gonna come out, what's it called, Dave?
Foot forward. Foot forward. Yeah.
Foot forward winch. So we're gonna install ours the same exact way. We're just cleaning up his wiring a little bit. Jesse, get it together, dog. Take it to Thundervic.
All right, so if you want to take that bar all the way out, you got to remove these little
what is it?
There's little pop clips. I need a flathead.
Yeah, we probably don't have to though. Looks like we could stretch this back. Actually, nah, we probably should pop them off.
Probably.
Just so it can be out of the way.
Because then I can get this metal piece out of the way because that's not going to bend too well.
Yeah. Yeah. Let's pop those out then.
Yeah. Oh, wait.
All right, Cam. What are we doing?
Well, we're about to get the winch out, but since the control box is actually mounted to the vehicle, we got to remove these lugs back here from the winch. And then the winch can come out, and then we got to remove the control box.
Copy.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get it.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go.
Woo! Because it's worn out. Oh,
You got it? Yep.
watch out with the wires. Watch out the wires.
You got it?
Yo, it's out.
Like,
It's a big
like,
bastard.
Light it on fire, dude. Light it on fire. All right, so it's a worn. Let's see if we can get the model. Oh, no, it is a 12.
like 12.
12, huh?
12K
Yep.
series wound.
So we're gonna do that. We just remove that, and we're gonna replace it with this beautiful thing over here. Woo, 17.5.
That's what I was wondering too.
All right, so we got the power box. What is this? The control box?
Control box.
Control box is down. It had this bracket right here. What was it? 13s?
10 millimeter bolts.
Yeah, a couple 10mm bolts that hook onto this area right here up top. We're not gonna need it though, because everything is in one piece on the super winch. So we're gonna unplug this whole big daddy right here, and then we'll start putting on the super winch. Tiger Shark in. So this is a 17.5. The core looks about the same size, just one of the sides is a little bit bigger. But all we're gonna do is move all the wires out of the way. We're gonna use the same power and the same negative from the worn winch because it's all embedded into the factory wiring harness. So that's what we're gonna do. They're gonna start lifting. It's a heavy girl, so let's get it, guys. I'm just here for support. Damn, dude. You all right? You need some allergy medicine, dog?
COVID?
I'm allergic to warn.
Again?
COVID for the 4th time?
This one we're gonna have to.
You're allergic to Warren? I just caught that. Yeah, Warren. Shit together. Getting us sick.
Alright.
Alright, here goes. There you go. There you go.
Come on.
Tilt it back a little.
Oh,
There it goes.
okay.
Yo!
Oh. Whew. It's in there. I got it. I'm holding.
I'm pushing it forward a little bit more.
Okay.
There we go. I got it.
Is it gonna line up? Yeah, it's gonna line up. Bottom bolt.
Woo.
Sick. Let's go.
All right.
Hey, make sure you insert that clip there.
Let's
That's
go.
a huge fish.
Yeah, dude, demonetized. That's all I heard. All I heard was demonetized.
All I heard was I don't like.
All right, so the winch is in place right now. What we're doing is we're putting in the first top 2 bolts to hold it.
Looks like a little bit more, Cameron.
And then once the, yeah, it's pretty tough too because the winch is really heavy. So once the top ones are mounted, we'll be able to play around and get these other ones in the bottom. Put in with the new rollers. So the new rollers are right here. So what we're gonna have to do is take these apart. So we get these rollers out of the way, bolt that on there, then put these bolts back in. So winch is starting to look dope. And yeah, to be fair, we didn't have to remove the front bumper, so it was relatively easy.
Shit could be worse.
Yeah, it could be worse. It could be worse. I mean, now it was heavy as shit to get it up there, but it's up there. It's up there. So
Ready?
all right, so we're getting the rest of it on. The rollers got on. We had to remove this to get this to go through, but now that the roller is on, we tightened it up.
Just lift it up slightly, Cameron.
And now we're just doing the finishing touches to get it all mounted on. Once those 4 bolts are on, we're gonna tighten them up. And then we gotta clean up this wiring mess right here that we created. And then Jessie already had like circuits going on. Just cleaning everything up, and then Power Daddy will be done. Let's get it. So everything's fitting in nice, huh?
Yeah, it actually went pretty good.
Ooh, no, he's got the blacked out. Shit, look
Like
at that.
on a scale of 1 to 5 beers, I'd call it like a 4
He's
beer,
like,
4 beer job.
Yeah. Jessie, was a 12-pack of beers, dog? We need that come in right now, real hot.
He's like at Modelo.
Dang, all right, so we just finished mounting everything and setting it up. Dang, look how dope. Dude, and the yellow on the yellow hooks. There we go. Ooh, sheesh. Dang. That looks so good. And then look at the plaque. Damn, son. Let's go.
You said you wanted to clean this?
Yeah, well, no, I mean, just clean it up, tape it up. So another thing too, he wasn't wireless before, but now he's super winch wireless. So cool thing about super winches, you can mount these wireless boxes to them, and then you make your winches wireless. So if you have a super winch, hit Dave or myself up, and we'll get you hooked up. All right, team. So wiring phase, we wired everything up, made sure it was working. We double checked it. We kind of just tucked everything away right here for Jesse. He had wires for all his lights, so we didn't really want to mess with any of that. But that's what the Super Winch looks like when it's tucked in. It does stick out a little bit more. There is a metal reinforcement for some clips that goes here. We left that up to him too, so he'll be able to modify it and do that himself. For now, the Super Winch is in. Everything fits nice and tucked. The front looks awesome, as you guys seen. But yeah, we're just gonna finish cleaning it up. We'll drop it and test it out. And then yeah, he's got a wireless Super Winch 17.5 instead of the worn 12,000. All right, so we're just wrapping it up here. I already showed you what the front is. So you also have to install a little receiver for the wireless box, and we put ours right underneath there. Keeps it away from everything, heat, water, all that good stuff. Obviously it's still gonna get hot in here because it's the engine compartment, but that's a safe place to put it. We bolted it down with the factory hardware. You do get some Allen screws and whatnot, but yeah, the receiver's like that. Then you get, so now he'll be able to have wireless remote. Then if that runs out of battery or anything happens, then he has the regular Super Winch remote. So it's looking dope. It's looking dope. Damn, what you doing, Dave? What you doing?
They're like, to make it official.
Sheesh. There you go, Super Winch, Power Wagon AEV Prospector. So that wraps it up here at Weston. I'm gonna start driving home. We'll probably be stuck in traffic for a little bit. Then I'm gonna reply to all you guys' messages, send out more sticker packs that you guys ordered and all that. But yeah, so day in the life will go like this. If I come out to Weston and do some installs or install some stuff on my truck, we'll do it. Not so technical, just have a good time with it. But yeah, Jesse's truck's all super winched up now. Check out the banners. Woo, if you guys want one of these, drop into the DMs. I'll print you guys one. They're kind of expensive, so only if I get your commitment that we can put it on your truck, I'll print you one. Dave, any final words?
Look at that. Bigger hook. I think that is. Get in there.
Yeah, he's ready for that full-size invasion. Come out June 12th. Hit me up if you guys have any questions. I'll close you guys out in a little bit. I'm gonna go clean up the shop and yeah, get with it. See you guys. All right, team, so I just got home. Just want to let you guys know thank you again. I sat in traffic forever. Give you a little insight to my other cars. So I have a Supra. That's a 1984 Toyota Celica Super P-Type. We also have a Type R. And then obviously we got Jesse's Prospector here. And if you guys join the raffle by the time you see this video, congratulations to the winner of that. There's the Jeep. But yeah, I'll be getting this ready to go to San Hollow this weekend. Hopefully I can finish this video and drop it off before I come back Monday, but I doubt it. But yeah, just want to thank you guys for sticking around. I appreciate the support again. I know I keep repeating it, but I really do. Let me know what you guys think of Day in the Life episodes here at Trail Militia. And if you have any questions, hit me up. Till next time.